Hi you guys, welcome to a really bizarre update video. This is not at all what I had planned to put out the week after Christmas, which was so unrealistic. What am I doing? Anyway, we're not working out today. I'm wearing a sweatshirt and let's talk about a few changes right off the bat. One is I cut my hair really short and it's darker. So new me, I'm white as a ghost out here. I'm looking over here because I'm like, whoo, this lighting maybe isn't the best. But anyway, I've been avoiding making this video just because, I don't know, were the holidays just like crazy hard and exhausting for everybody? It is sometimes really hard to recover from that. Like, I know we're all like, ooh, January 1st, let's get fit and all this stuff, but I am tired. So I just want to talk about like where I am for 2024, but I'm gonna hit a few things that pertain to you right off the bat, so if you're bored, you can leave. You know, if you do my workouts ever and you enjoy them, this will pertain to you. First of all, I'm pregnant again with baby number 3. I'm 17 weeks. I don't have a six pack anymore, and I'm very white, but woo! Look at that. I need a tan. Joanna needs a tan. I could flex, but you know, we stopped. We've been eating some cookies over Christmas, but and so I haven't actually recorded videos in real time for over a month, probably like 2, because I pre-recorded some. I didn't want to be pressured to announce my pregnancy before I wanted to, just because I was like getting fat. You know how the body image thing goes, never gets easier, even the 3rd time around. But so that's the first announcement. That's just something that's been going on. Gosh, cut my hair, we got a new car, like we have just lots of things going on. But here's where I really just want to be honest. Actually, I have one more announcement. Never mind, ignore me. So next week I'm going to start this guest series, which I am truly super jazzed about. Super jazzed, because these are women that I have sought after, worked with, you know, like love them as women. As strong women who I think you're gonna be really inspired by, but also as phenomenal fitness instructors, people, you know, top notch. And I asked them to film a workout for me. Some of them, like one of them is here, I'm demoing with her. Someone's in California, one's at, you know, like a little bit of here and there kind of input to the channel, which I'm really hoping you will enjoy, because ultimately this is for your benefit, because you have lots of options here on YouTube. I'm just a struggling fitness instructor trying to offer content that is my style. But so that'll start next week. I have 4 weeks planned out of that, and then, you know, people might be in and out. Here we go. But this one, I'm really struggling with this pregnancy. You know, man, I'm tired. I have 2 little kids. I teach classes. I have still a lot of personal training clients in this gym. I'm a full-time stay-at-home mom. And then I do YouTube. And I'm just gonna be really candid. I make about $100 a month on YouTube. And my goal for 2023, for last year, this was like my strongest goal. By the way, elephant in the room, I have paint all over my hands. I know. I've been painting walls, a lot of walls, just in my spare time. I do night shift for, I should talk about that later. I'll talk about that later. Anyway, nobody cares about painting. Yeah, I wanted to make 52 videos. That's how many weeks are in a year, right? 52? I always get that confused with how many states are in the United States. Okay, pull it together, Joanna. Anyway, I really wanted to be consistent. I wanted to make that many videos in a year. I didn't want to skip a week. I never did. Until like the very last week. Last week I skipped one, and I, to be honest, I thought I might grow a little more than I did. And I just have to weigh like where this fits into my life. You always have to reevaluate. I'm a big fan of reevaluate. You know, you can drop things that aren't working. You can add, you can always try something new. I just thought I'd be a little farther than I am now. For planning a class, you know, setting up all the equipment, demoing for it, recording it, editing it, putting it out for $100 a month, that's like 0.05 cents an hour. No, that's an exaggeration. But I'm just like, does this fit still? So I don't know. I'm gonna do the guest series. I'm gonna try to pull myself out of my seasonal pregnant depression. Man, okay, so let's talk about that really quick. My last 2 pregnancies, you know, first trimesters suck. I've been sick, I've been exhausted, but this one, sorry, there's a fuzz right in front of the camera. This one, I've been like, not even that tired, just severely unmotivated. Like slightly depressed. Like it's just like, just getting up is hard. And I'm not that kind of person. I'm like, you can do it, let's go so hard kind of person. That's just, I love joy. I love like pushing hard. I'm always like, I have new things. Oh, it is killing me. And I don't know if it's just the pregnancy or if it's like the time of year. I don't know if I'm just exhausted. By the way, I'm doing a dry January on Instagram. No social media, I just started that a few days ago. So far, I'm loving it. I think I'm just distracted and I have no mental bandwidth to actually think anymore. Let me know if you relate to that. But anywho, I'm just being honest with you. I was gonna make a really cute, like upbeat pregnancy announcement. Here I am in my black sweatshirt with no tan on, just looking like a goth. No. Does that style, emo, does that even exist anymore? I don't think so, but this is the reality. I'm just wearing some big sweatshirts these days. My 6-pack is gone, and I would like to say that doesn't affect my self-confidence at all, but it does a little bit. You know, it's a weird trip when you get pregnant, and it's a beautiful gift to grow a life and to be able to do that. So honored and thankful, obviously, not a total jerk, but it just throws me a little bit every time. Anyway, these are my honest thoughts about continuing with this channel. Let me know if you have any input. If you're just here, I'm one of like 1,000 people that you follow and you're like, I could care less. Be like, good luck with your life. You know, make a decision that's right for your family. If you're like, no, I really like your workouts, I don't know. Maybe I could do them like every other week or something. Or maybe I'll get back into it. I don't know. I've been really dragging my feet, so I thought I would just make this video, throw it out there into the internet abyss. And yeah, since going dark on Instagram, I kind of just want to like disappear for a year, have a baby. Gosh, there's a lot of changes. You guys, should I say this now? I think I'm gonna homeschool Zoe for her first year of school for kindergarten. I'm gonna do like a co-op that she goes twice a week still, so she gets socialized. I was homeschooled, in case none of you knew that, and I've had zero desire ever to homeschool. That's not my personality. I'm like, I can't wait until my kids go to school and I can do the things I wanna do again. But yeah, I'm thinking about, no, I'm more than thinking about, I'm gonna homeschool because this baby is due in June, early June. And Zoe and Scarlett entertain each other, and if Zoe all of a sudden is gone every day and I have to like drop her off for school and pack a lunch every day, I'm sorry, that sounds terrible. It kind of sounds terrible. So yeah, I'm trying to streamline. I just feel really drained. Do you guys feel like that? This video is probably not interesting, but I'm just feeling like my classes drain me, my clients drain me, my kids drain me. I just need to find what's gonna light my fire again, which is normal. I think we all go like that. So rather than putting this off another week, I thought I would just share where I'm at with my life and with this channel so you can know what's up. Anyway, keep an eye out. The guest series will be launching next week, and I'll be sure to promote that and go follow all those people, amazing women. I hope you're really encouraged by that. And then, you know, I'll pop in here and there and give you updates and let you know if I'm still making workouts or whatever after that, okay? Thank you. Gosh, this fuzz, do you see it? If you've ever done a workout of mine, ever, and left a comment or, you know, perspired one beautiful bead of sweat down your face, I'm so happy. Thank you so much. It really taught me last year that I can finish things that I start, which I don't often do in my life. I am unfortunately not a finisher, I'm a starter. And so I was proud of that, you know, it taught me a lot of discipline to just make these dang videos even when I didn't want to, I didn't have the time. It was just, it's good to find something and stick to it. So anyway, I hope you had a good holiday season. Let me know if you're feeling trashy or trashed as well. You know, we used to do a keyword like to see if you made it to the end. Trashy or trashed, what's your keyword? Anyway, I really appreciate you guys, and I will see you in some form over the next few weeks for some awesome guest content, and I'll keep you updated, okay? Take care, happy holidays, happy new year, see you soon.